people. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
I don't know.
Where are we? Where are we? Where are we?
What's that trainer?
Yes, I'm like...
That trainer. What was she trying to do?
I'm not sure. I think she wanted us to do a thing called jump.
Yeah, but
I don't really get it. I think it's like if you were to go over top of that, yeah, that would be called jumping. I don't really get it, but I guess that's what you're
whatever.
supposed to do. That was so confusing.
I know. I don't know. You go over it, and you have to apparently keep going, or else it doesn't work.
Yeah, that seems so hard. I mean, you have to keep going, and how are you supposed to land on the correct leg? Lead, whatever the humans call it. I call it leg, they call it lead. It's so confusing.
I know.
And I would just want to rear up.
I don't even know what those little other four-legged creatures are.
I